Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Bronx Lock Picker 60, and today I'm going to pick a half-euro union. If I turn up right side up so you can read it. It was sent to me by Pete Restall from the shed. At one point, it was actually a whole euro, and I had picked this side, the modified side, many times, but could not figure out how to gut it. And with the help of Leon's lock pad, gave me some tips on how to cut it in half so that I can pick it and gut it. And so that's what I want to do. And this is the bitting. It works nicely, you can see. And Pete Restall, I hope you're not upset that I cut your your lock in half. But it was the only way I figured on how to gut it. I would like to see what you did to it. So it's locked. Okay, I'm gonna go to the top of the keyaway with the 50,000s pry bar and the deepest hook from spp'd. Let's see. It seems like every time I get the camera on, the lock becomes really shy. Okay, got a nice full set there. That was out of 5. And that was 3 that opened it. Not a difficult lock, but a fun one nonetheless. Let me swing here, put you there, slide you here, maneuver some things around. Like I said, it's a fun lock to pick. Okay. Alright, that's a little too tight there. Sorry if I'm out of frame. Okay. So not quite sure what to expect. Yeah, that's a tight fit. Hopefully this will work. Yeah. Wow, that is a tight fit. As you can see, where's my little doodaddy? Okay, let's try the key. And beautiful work as to be expected from Pete Restall. I can see some work to the core, but to find out exactly what we have, let's dump the pins out and see what we got. This one, I'll show them to you here when I get them all out. Okay, 4, and 5. Okay. Come on, baby, focus. There we go. So off the bat, I can see threading in 2, 4, and 5. I believe undercut in 3, and possibly 1. And it looks like all of these counter milling, I believe, are factory. And if I'm wrong, and if you're watching, Mr. Restall, if you can correct me on that. Okay. Now for the wow. That is tight. Hold on 1 second. I need to get a needle nose. Really? Don't want to grab? Maybe now. Wow. There we go. It is tighter than, I'm not going to go there. But anyhow, let's see what we got on the top here. Okay, got some light here. Hope everyone's doing well. Number 1 looks like a factory spool. Copper spring. Okay. And it was like this. Number 2 driver, the drunken spool. Please come out. Nah. Oh. That one was in there. Sorry. Same thing, copper. A T-pin. I just might as well dig this one out. Factory T-pin. Let's go to the rear. Number 5 looks like to be a factory serrated And number 4, it is a spool key pin. One of them brasses moved. And nothing's been done to the Bible. So hopefully I don't spill them like I just did. Okay, key pin number 1 is standard, and it's taped on the top as if it was like a Lockwood key pin. Number 2, it's also beveled on the top with multiple serrations. Number 3 is standard with beveled on the top. 4, it's also beveled with, looks like 6 serrations. Number 5, also beveled with 3 serrations. And for drivers, it's a factory spool, factory T-pin, which is a drunken spool, factory T-pin. Number 4 is a key pin turned into a spool, and number 5 is a factory serrated and copper springs all the way across. It was a fun lock to pick. Thank you so much, Pete Restall, for this. Sorry it took so long to get to it. Just was afraid to cut it wrong and mess it all up, but with the help of Leon's lock pad, guide me the right way, and I was able to accomplish that and get it picked on video. It was a fun pick. Everyone, thank you for joining me. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share. Comment down below. Also hit the icon, the bell icon, to be notified of my next video. And be safe, be legal, and as always, stay calm and pick on. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.